Everyone's born as clean as a whistle, as fresh as a daisy, not a bit crazy. Staying that way's a hard road for hoeing, as rough as a briar, like walking through fire. This world, it's dark, and this world, it's scary. I've taken some hits, so no wonder I'm wary. It's why I need you. You're pure as the driven snow. Everyone wants to be like a hero, the cake with the cream or the do or not dreamer. Doing's hard work, it takes some to change things, like goat's milk to butter, like ice blocks to water. This world goes blind when children are dying. I turn to dust, but you never stop trying. It's why I love you. You're pure as the driven snow, cold and clean, swirling over my skin. You cloak me so bright down to my heart. Everyone thinks they know all about me. They slap me with labels, they spit out their fables. You came along, you knew it was lying. You saw the ideal me, and yes, that's the real me. This world, it's cruel with troubles aplenty. You ask for a reason, I give you 3 and 20. For why I trust you. You're pure as the driven snow. That's why I trust you. You're pure as the driven snow.